From Verizon, $25 each.
And iPhone 16 Pro.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Ohio County in northern West Virginia until 3 a.m. At 12:07 a.m., Emergency Management reported extensive flash flooding across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Flash flood emergency for Wheeling, Philadelphia, Valley Grove, West Virginia. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Emergency Management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Warwood, Bethlehem, Philadelphia, Valley Grove, Clinton and Elm Grove. If you are in the path of flooding, move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.